Reading Pioneers is proud to present I Feel Angry by Alex Harrison, illustrated by Ferlina Gunawan. I have so much fun just running around and swinging and sliding at the playground. My dad and I are happy as can be. We run through the grass to climb up a tree. I'm nearing the top when I hear Dad say, "Come down, Max! That's enough for today. We have to head home. It's dinner time. We'll come back next Sunday or some other time." I feel my teeth clench. My heart starts to race. I am not ready to leave this great place. My dad buckles me in as I'm kicking my feet. He reaches for a toy from behind the back seat. He tells me to take a slow, deep breath in and blow it out slowly to make the wheel spin. I do what he says. Then my dad says to me, "It seems like that's working. Don't you agree?" It's Monday morning. A school day. Hooray! I pick out my pants, shirt, and shoes for the day. I put my clothes on like all big boys do, but I have some trouble putting on my shoe. I try and I try, but I can't get it right. I can tie my own shoe, but I can't get it tight. My dad tries to help, but I push him away. I don't think it's a good start to my day. My hands feel sweaty, my face hot, and mouth dry. I'm getting so angry, I feel I might cry. My dad reminds me I should draw to relax. He says, "Sit for 5 minutes before we leave, Max." I sit for a while and draw a picture or two. Then my dad comes over to put on my shoe. Once both shoes are on, I say to my dad, "I'm sorry I hit you. Does that make me bad?" "You're not bad, Max, but it's important to take some time to cool down in a nice quiet place. You could be angry or sad, or happy or blue. It won't matter to me. I'll always love you." Later at school, my teacher, Miss Dove, says it's time now for something I know you all love. She pulls out the bubbles, my favorite game, and I partner up with my good friend James. James takes his turn first. He has so much fun. It's hard to be patient and wait till he's done. What I see next makes me yell at my friend. James spills all the bubbles, so the game has to end. I'm angry and shouting and stomping my feet, so my teacher, Miss Dove, sends me back to my seat. She tells me to focus and count backwards from 10. I feel like it's helping, so I do it again. Later, I tell my dad what happened today. He kneels down and hugs me and says, "That's okay. I think you now know the right things to do. When you start to feel angry, here are a few. Count backwards slowly from 1 to 10. Breathe slowly and deeply out and then in. Take some quiet time to paint or to draw. You could read a book or do a jigsaw. I know you are working as hard as you can. The next time you get upset, you'll have a good plan. The end. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading along with us today to the story I Feel Angry by Aleks Harrison. This children's book helps readers learn about anger management in a fun and rhyming way. I have worked with Aleks before and am so excited to be reading his second book on this channel with you all. If you want to check out his other story, hooray! I can do it! You can click the card above. Also, I suggest clicking the links in the description box to get your hands on a copy of his book for you and your family. If you would like to get your book read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com, and hopefully we can turn your book into a read aloud. It would also be awesome if you click the thumbs up button if you enjoy the story, share this video with friends and family, and finally subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated with future uploads by Reading Pioneers. While waiting for the next upload, you can check out the playlist on the left of other videos by rising authors, and on the right is my own short story called Shark Fin Boy. This is it for today's video, so thanks again everyone for reading with us, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.